in this production of the viscose fiber, the concern came environmental concern was there. Okay, now also there, even though now also there, but found eco-friendly greenery requirement says environmental concerns. What was the environmental concerns here? It is a viscose production is releasing carbon disulfide into air. It is releasing the carbon disulfide into the air. That carbon disulfide is a air pollution. It is polluting the air. It is harmful to the nature. Okay, and also it is releasing salt as a byproduct. It's producing salt as a byproduct. That byproduct is going to streams or whatever the factory is releasing somewhere. It is that byproduct, how they are using. That is their question. That is different. Not question, that is different. These are the environmental concerns. How to manage carbon disulfide and how to manage byproduct salt. Okay, so this is the restriction faced, environmental restrictions concern faced in the production of viscose rayons.
Please subscribe to this channel, like it, share it, and click the icon bell. Thank you.